Welcome. This video will show you how BreazeHome users may interact with the neighborhood indexes. For the neighborhood indexes, we consider every single actor that may need to look at a property and has access to these pages as a single actor called customer. A customer may be an agent, a guest, or a registered user that has logged in. To access the neighborhood indexes, the customer must access BreazeHome independently from how they reach it, and proceed to find a property they want to look at, be it from searching and picking a property from the results page, or by accessing a properties page directly from a link. Doing so gives a customer a set of different information that is displayed on every property details page in BreazeHome. Scrolling down the many sections in the details page, the customer might soon find a section dedicated to information regarding the property's neighborhood, and from there they can expand or collapse the tabs for each index implemented in this release, which are the crimes and hazards tabs. As a note, before any index is able to function, the property that is being viewed must have complete and correct information about their location, which might be either from the property's geospatial location, latitude and longitude, or the property's full address, which is composed of the street, the city, the state, and the zip code. If the property happens to lack information, the indexes may show as unavailable, as we need to be aware of the property's geospatial point and county. Expanding the Crimes tab exposes the rating and controls for the crime index. The crime index will display the city and state of the property, as well as the rating from low to medium to high, as determined by a default of 1 mile radius around the property. The user may adjust the radius with the slider to show crimes up to 10 miles, and calculate the index accordingly. To do so, they must click on the Show button after adjusting the slider. This will establish the new radius, calculate the index, and will also display the crimes on the map with a legend of each individual crime, as well as the property's location and the radius of crimes to be shown, color-coded by the resulting rating, and clicking on the Hide button will clear the map of all this information. Expanding the Hazards tab will expose the floods, hurricanes, and wildfire indexes, each with similar operation to each other. They also show the city and state of the property being viewed, and each of them will display a rating from low to medium to high, based on the statistical average of historical data for these events in regards to the county of the property. Clicking on the Show button of each of these indexes will draw out the polygon of the county on the map, and color-code it accordingly with the respective index rating, along with a marker for the location of the property. Finally, clicking on the Hide button will clear the map of all this information. This concludes the guide for how customers might operate the neighborhood indexes within the details page of a property they are viewing. Thanks for watching.